this hard work making this chili. Yeah, but we're trying to test out for the weekend, right?
Right.
Hey everybody, this is Lisa with your Kick-Ass News Flash with What's Up in American Eagle. What's up? We're hanging out here with Mr. D, Daniel, Director, the Hog. We practice this, but it's only right. So we're sitting here hanging out with Daniel, our Director of our AEHOG chapter, and we're talking chili cook-off.
Absolutely.
You know, ready? I mean, oh, smell that. Oh my goodness.
Is it supposed to look that way?
Well, let's see. Well, wait a second. No, it's not, because this chili has beans. We don't use chili with beans. Let's see, start and see what else is in there. Shit, this chili has no beans, but it's canned chili. We don't use that either, do we?
No, we don't use canned chili.
Okay, all right, let's keep chilling.
What's that?
Is somebody trying to sneak in something tiny in there? Beans.
It's a bag of beans.
We don't care how small the beans are. We don't put beans in the chili.
Not here. That's stew.
So we have all the rules for our chili cook-off on our website. It's on the Hog website as well. So if you have entered, we already have 8 teams. We have 8 teams already entered. So whether you're an AEHOG member or not, it's open to everybody.
Absolutely.
But the cool thing about this is the 2 top hog teams that are going will represent us next year or
next month
in the regional chili cook-off.
Absolutely.
Which, by the way, is here. Why is it here?
Because we won last year.
And which one of our teams won?
It was the Treadways.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole.
Absolutely.
So it is going to be a great weekend to have some chili. Come out and join us. We have live music.
Yep.
Gypsy Voodoo is our first band of the year. So Gypsy Voodoo are going to be here. We're excited about having them. They're a local band here right in the area.
We'll be selling 50-50. We've got the chili, because everybody loves putting chili on the hot dogs. But in order to get chili on your hot dogs, you got to have the wristband for the chili.
Yeah, and you guys are going to be grilling some, and have a weenie roast as well.
Yep, we absolutely will. Yeah.
What else we got going on?
Serving beers.
Oh yeah, you're going to be in here serving beer. Yep. So there's free beer from 2 to 3, 11 to 3. So come on in and enjoy that. Yep. You need this liquid stuff to work. You know, it goes great with chili, beer and chili.
Yep.
What else we got going? Do you know we have a blood drive?
Blood and chili. What's better?
Let's do the blood first.
Okay, we'll do the blood.
And then we'll eat the chili.
Then we'll eat the chili.
So Carter Blood Care is going to be here because they are in major need of blood. So they're going to be here again. And you know that all the blood donations are going to the Scottish Rite Children's Hospital.
Oh, really?
Right here in Dallas. So please come out. That is on our website as also, and we'll also have the.
I think I have the vein. I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Well, we'll just keep it out of my chili. So we've got that going on. And what else is? Do you know? You plan on going to Daytona?
I'd love to go to Daytona.
Do you know that our friend Jesse James Dupree in Rolling Daytona is giving away a trip on Saturday to Daytona?
That's the thing where we did put it in on our phone, right?
Yeah, so
I'm maxed out. I'm ready. I'm ready to win.
So how this is going to work is you're going to come in on Saturday. There's going to be one specific keyword, and this is going to, it's a 3-day trip, hotel expense for Daytona. It is for March 9th through the 12th. Sorry, I had to look at the dates because I didn't want to mess that up. And $500 travel money. So, but you got to come into the dealership to get that keyword, and you don't have to be here to find out if you win because they're going to be posting it Facebook Live on the Rolling USA website.
Right.
So there's so much going on. This is where you need to be. We got our Kick-Ass Hog chapter is going to be here, kicking ass, serving chili,
absolutely,
grilling some dogs, serving some beer,
having some fun,
drinking some beer. Yeah.
Drinking beer.
So I guess all we need is you guys. So we'll see you Saturday.
Come vote for our chili.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
See you Saturday. Chili and beer. Chili and beer. Stir in the pot, boss. Stir in the pot.